Hey, sesibuyile this week solo ngibuya ngihamba ngedwana but-ke kuyadawulunga kuba njalo nje. Today sibone this weekend sibone i-Kaizer Chiefs ikhala phasi i-Golden Arrows. Eish, asathi because Nzeki bamcosha, akazwane bamcosha, anamaphoyinti lamanyenti kunalawa labanawo nyalo noma bamcoshe noma benjani. Anyways, it's for Kaizer Chiefs to decide, not for me. And futhi angeke ngiyiphawule indaba yabo kakhulu. Then-ke the latest news lesibabonile, sibone iFulham iphuma ku-FA Cup in the hands of 2016 finalists ama-runners up a-2016 e-FA Cup, i-Crystal Palace. Even though Silva uyakhala coach we-Fulham about le perspective of the game ukuthi kunemidlalo ebekhona wayithola i-first yellow card and then befuthe athola a-second booking. Unfortunately-ke wangayitholi. Then-ke isikole lapho bekusese-not. Few minutes later i-Fulham i-Crystal Palace yakora. Kulapho lakhala khona ukuthi bebamniketile lo mdlali ikhadi ngakushintshile le perspective of the game. Wakhala ngokuthi lineman bekavutane both official abona everything. Na-VAR yanga-intervene even though in le situation la ishoko back out ukuthi kunema-selected cases situations lema-incident lendeka egemini lapho VAR athi ngakhona intervene. In this case aka-intervene ngishona kancane. So bekungafanele vele a-intervene VAR in this case because of certain rules egame. Then-ke siye sihambe sibone i-Barcelona ishaya Osasuna kaMetima 3-0. Then u-Osasuna iloje i-complaint about ama-rules lakhuluma nge-international break ukuthi umdlali akhuthe-ke arepresente i-national team then agijime ayodlalela i-team angathi for how many hours. So we'll wait and see ukuthi kuhamba njani because eSpain vele ngathi imithetho iyalandzelwa noma iyalandzelwa against Barcelona noma iyalandzelwa nje in general but nje. Then another news, the sad part for me or tindzaba mina kakhulu i-Real Madrid ikhombisa ukungathi Trent Alexander-Arnold iyamsayina for free. For me, my take is simple. Trent once said ukuthi ufuna ukuba captain of Liverpool. For him to be captain of Liverpool, he has to stay for the bench. But we all know, guys, ukuthi maybe Liverpool can win the league title this year. Then going forward, win. Or next year kungenzeka iphinde Liverpool ingacompete. So the player has won everything, has represented the club well. So naye unama-desires akhe, unama-dreams akhe, unama-goals akhe lafuna kuwa-achieve. Back in December, he was given 5 options, if I remember very well, ukuthi angakhetha ukuwina i-Premier League, i-Ballon d'Or. Sengikhohlwele ama-options lamanyenti. But wakhetha ukuthi awine i-Ballon d'Or. And we all know ukuthi if you want to be in a better position to win i-Ballon d'Or, you have to position yourself well. And nasibuka i-Liverpool, Michael Owen wayewina i-Ballon d'Or. Yes, only one player. Then ku-Madrid nasesibuka Ronaldo, Modric, countless of them won it. So why not Arnold angabi ku-position whereby la afuna kuwina khona? Yes, ngibuhlungu about this, but I understand his perspective nokuthi yena ufuna ini. So I don't have hard feelings for losing him because He's a player longeke uze wathi ukuthi i-price tag yakhe ngumalini because it's just like Gerald Liverpool. Gerald wahamba for free not because uhamba for free ukuthi i-price tag ukuthi yakhe vele ngi-free yini, ukuthi kude indlela longamna ngayo. But lokunye nje Trent is 26 guys. He's going to play for Madrid for 4 years, five okay. Ngisiva ukuthi bathi usayina 5 years contract. Utoba for Madrid for short time. Lokunye then-ke emva kwalokona because siyazi ukuthi nyalo nje he is currently injured. Then for Madrid it's a good acquisition, it's good business this one. For Liverpool it's bad business, but for Madrid it's good business because kukhani inyalo la utawubona khona Mbappe, kukhani inyalo la utawubona khona Vinicius Junior, Rodrigo basebenza mbamba because bashoda ngala mabhola lawo. Uma umloti abaphasela astarte i-counter from nowhere, i-attack from nowhere, like siya-defender then boom will get the passes. Otherwise Madrid itholile lapha and vele Arnold ngiyisa buhlungu man lokuhamba ku-Madrid. So then sibona Haaland kuma-scratches. We don't know ukuthi kwendekani lele ngako-ke naye. So ne-Arsenal solo ikulenza striker. Siva ukuthi ngathi khona striker lesifunako ku-Sporting, Jazz 9 no-Sporting, but-ke asathi ngobani ngisiva basi ne-Liverpool is backing up for that. For Liverpool to have a good successful transfer now ukuthi khona kusayina Mo Salah, ukuthi Mo Salah imconvince asayine i-contract leyo, Virgil asayine i-contract khona-ke angete iminyaka ku-contract yakhe. That will be the best. Then-ke that will be at least better, not the best, at least better. Then by luck asathi ukuthi basayinise Trent Alexander-Arnold 5 years nakhona asathi. So it's a wait and see situation, but nje nasibuka ukuthi has been dragging for a long time, so why not let it go and look for other options. We understand ukuthi 2 years ago Arnold wala ku-renew contract, but his aim, okay, at that time I think babuka ukuthi i-project ibheka up, but I think they have seen ukuthi i-project ibheka up. And then sibone Ben Doku, Liverpool player, i-Everton iyamfuna, David Moyes ukhombisa kumfuna, but-ke we don't see. But in the past has been players labadlalele Everton baphinde badlale Liverpool, badlale Everton. There's a handful of them. Then-ke we have seen Bukayo Saka, and Mikel Arteta has just said Saka is ready to go. Lokusho ukuthi now Arsenal will go for everything, for the title, kutoba ngumgico. And uyayibona i-Liverpool have been having some problems. So nyalo it's time for Arsenal ngathi ibuya ngemandla. So we'll see ukuthi kwenzekani. Then-ke sitawukhuluma angade pronounce kahle bani, Kuna wema-Wolves, umdlali wema-Wolves is one of the bowlers ema-teams ngathi ahlala kuye. I wish ama-teams can sign him. Ngumdlali lomuhle kakhulu loyo-ke. Then sibona i-Real Betis, not i-Real Betis but Isco uqale i-crowdfunding yokuthi i-Real Betis imane isayine Anthony from Manchester United, ukulona ku-Real Betis, and has been doing wonders for them, so sebamfuna-ke kumsayina, sebafuna okay, Real Betis show interest before ukuthi vele iyamfuna, then thuku Isco ucala i-crowdfunding for him. So kusho ukuthi kutawubonakala khona. Then siyambona Lukaku solwenza kubukwako yashaya amagoli for iNapoli. Okay, they are concerned that Hansi Flick or they are concerned for Rafinha ukuthi kungakwendeka angabe fit for the Atletico Barcelona game, the semi-finals Copa del Rey. Then angathi lokuthi niniketeni lithikithi because ngisengake ngeva ukuthi niyalithatha, but anyways senginganendela nje because sitabona i-Orlando Pirates idlala nePolokwane City, straight win for Orlando Pirates. Golden Arrows versus Chippa United, win or draw Golden Arrows. Sayibona ukuthi nemandla. Freiburg ne-Dortmund lapho ngibothin to score. Then-ke siye ku-Crystal Palace ne-Brighton, ngibothin to score loyo-ke. I-Ipswich nema-Wolves over 1.5 loyo-ke. Then sitawuba ne-Aston Villa ne-Nottingham Forest, lapho ngubot team to score. Then i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-TS Galaxy udawuniketa lokhu ngibot team to score. Then kune-AC Milan ne-Fiorentina, win or draw we-AC Milan. Then-ke bese kuba i-Barcelona ne-Real Betis, lapho kutaba ngibot team to score. Ngiyathi ukuthi bamlabanye bayathuka ukuthi why nginedi i-Real Betis but ibot team to score. Then kube ne-Brentford ne-Chelsea, bot team to score lapho-ke. Liverpool ne-Fulham, bot team to score nakhona lapho-ke. I-Southampton ne-Tottenham straight win. Sikhumbule ukuthi kune-Merseyside derby tonight, sine-Merseyside derby, Everton versus Liverpool, lapho-ke kutaba ngibot team to score nakhona. Ngiyathi ukuthi bathuka ukuthi bot team to score. Then-ke nge-weekend igame lenkulu ethembisa ngathi itaba nenkulu nelisasasa, Manchester United versus Manchester City, lapho ngibot team to score and over 2.5. Then we'll have a Monday fixture, Leicester City versus Newcastle. Lapho-ke Newcastle itawin, straight win for Newcastle. Then we are going to have Champions League on Tuesday. IBayern idlala ne-Inter Milan, lapho-ke game ngibot team to score. Then sibe ne-Madrid sibe ne-Arsenal ne-Madrid, lapho-ke kutawuba ngibot team to score nakhona. I think asengigcine lapho-ke ngalama games lawo-ke lamuhla. Then sitawubona next week ukuthi kuhamba njani. Ningitshele ukuthi amathikithi ahamba njani comment section, because ngiyabona ukuthi ngiphinde nginikile mana ngingalibukile ukuthi kuhamba njani, but-ke sitawubona next week.